In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the OpenRouter AI extension in VS Code and set up your API key to use Claude 3.5 Sonnet. First, open Visual Studio Code. On the left side, look for the extensions icon in the activity bar. Click it to open the extensions view, then go to the search box at the top. Type OpenRouter AI. When you see the OpenRouter AI extension in the results, click on it to open its details page, then click Install. Once the installation completes, you'll notice a new OpenRouter section on the left side of VS Code. Click that to open the extension panel. You'll see a place where the extension expects an API key. We'll get that key next. Open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type OpenRouter and press Enter. Click the official OpenRouter website from the results to go to their home page. On the site, click Sign Up, then choose to connect with your Google account. After you've signed in, look for the drop-down menu in the upper right corner of the site. Click it, then select Keys. On the Keys page, click Create API Key. Give the key a clear name so you remember what it's for. Then click Create. You'll be shown your new API key. Copy it carefully and keep it private. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly and don't paste it into places you don't trust. Now head back to VS Code. In the OpenRouter panel, paste the API key into the prompt field and press Enter. The extension will take a moment to validate the key and initialize, so wait for it to finish loading. If everything is correct, you should be connected and ready to select a model. Within the extension, look for the area that lists model options. Click on the item labeled OpenAI Mini below, then choose Claude 3.5 Sonnet from the available models. The extension will switch to that model, so your requests use it by default. If you don't see the options right away, give the panel a moment to refresh after the key is validated. That's it. You've installed the OpenRouter AI extension, created and added your API key, and selected Claude 3.5 Sonnet. From here, you can start